Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. I am up and thought I would grab the camera. We are running a little behind this morning. It is Sunday, September 25th, day before Memorial Day, and we are up and about to get dressed for church, y'all. We have missed church for like 2 or 3 weeks now with everything that's gone on in my family with the two deaths on my father's side. So life has been lifing and we've been missing church, which is something we do not like to miss. But we are up and ready this morning. I just put on a little bit of makeup. I wonder if y'all could see it. I think I'm getting better with applying my makeup, y'all, at 50. I'm in my office. That's Layla, you hear her. Fed her early this morning. She woke me up at 6:45, stomping in the bed, demanding her breakfast, honey. That is so early, but she's been doing that lately. So we're gonna have to break her from being in the bed with us. This is a mess. But anyway, y'all, hubby just got back from gassing up. We did get our flowers, so we are anxious to get these planted. So I'll take you along with us a little later. Hopefully the rain holds off, but we will make do. So the next time you see us, it may be in the car, but we need to get to church, get back, and plant these flowers and grill before the rain comes. Hopefully it holds off for us until tonight, but we're going to grill some burgers, some hot dogs, some ribeyes, and then we're going to go to Kroger and grab some ribs. You know, Kroger always cooks those ribs on the holidays, summer holidays that is, so we love their ribs. So that's one less thing I have to grill. So we're going to get that, and well, hubby will grab that later. We just really want to get these flowers in the ground, so I can't wait to show you. They are so pretty, so pretty, and we've never seen any like it. I think I pointed them out when we were at Home Depot yesterday or Lowe's? Home Depot. But anyway, I am blabbing y'all. Happy Sunday. We're getting dressed, and I will talk to you later.
It's a little loose right there. That's winning.
Why is it loose?
It's
Oh,
pulled,
that's how
it's
tall
pulled,
it
it's
is?
pulled from the root.
Oh, okay.
Like this right here, like this was loose from the dirt.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Where's your ball? Here. 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 Ready? You ain't even go. Oh, get the ball. You don't want it. You see the smoke. It's rain.